In this video, we will describe how to create a moov configuration for the PrismHR Premier integration. Before you can integrate with PrismHR, you will first need to have the Premier integration set up on your account. If you do not have this set up, please contact us at support@detamoov.com. This video assumes that you have adopted the standard GL to QBO moov and set up a related moov configuration for your client. If you have not yet done this step, please see our knowledge base article related to this video for information on how to complete the step. Once you have connected your client's QuickBooks Online account to the moov configuration, you can then configure the PrismHR Premier integration. In this example, we will be integrating the PrismHR API to create a scheduled data import that moves data to QuickBooks Online for our client's configuration. First, we'll click on the Moves option on the left and select the standard GL to QBO moov here. In a previous video, we created a moov configuration and connected it to a client's QuickBooks Online account. Please review this tutorial if you have not completed this step. We'll then select this configuration here and click Next. Under the Trigger Data File Received step, click the PrismHR API banner and click the Add button. If you do not see the PrismHR option, please contact us at support@detamoov.com for assistance. On the panel that appears, select the PrismHR option from the Premier Integration dropdown. Then enter in the client's ID and select the batch status you would like detamoov to check. Then select any batch type applicable to your client and optionally enter in an email address for error reports. A Premier integration needs to be scheduled to run on certain days of the month or every certain amount of weeks on a certain day or days of the week. To schedule a Premier integration to run every certain amount of weeks, select this option from the drop-down menu. Then select a date of next execution. This is the date the integration will run next. The day of the week from our selected next execution date will be automatically selected, but you can select multiple days of the week if you wish. Then we'll specify the time the execution will run, and finally, we'll select the number of weeks to repeat the execution. You can also select specific days of the month to run the integration. To do so, select the On Certain Days of the Month option from the Frequency drop-down menu, and select the days you want it to run. Once our schedule is configured, we'll click OK, and scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next. Then save on the next page. We've now set up our client's configuration to connect to the PrismHR API to kick off the standard GL to QBO moov.